Okay, my name is Chef Will Harris. I am a culinary instructor here. My first year being a culinary instructor at EC3. Today I'm having a baking camp, actually it's the whole week. I am going to be teaching students how to make different desserts, different pastries, cheesecakes, flan, cookies, decorating, piping techniques, everything. I'm excited. This is my first year doing it. I can't wait to meet all these new people and see everything that they create. And that's about it. Some different things, okay? Today, who's ever made cookies in here before? Good. Not out of a box. I'm talking about cookies from scratch. You guys made cookies from scratch before? Great. Great. So this is going to be a pretty easy day, right? Right? Okay. Sure. Good job. Keep on that. Look at y'all over there making Shut up. Okay. Today is what we're going to be doing is we're going to be making chocolate chip cookies or peanut butter chocolate chip cookies. We're going to spend most of today doing introductions, getting to know each other, talking about our backgrounds. I'll talk about my background, but after today we'll make a quick recipe for cookies just so I can see where everybody's skill level is.
Yeah. Okay. We have to do the whole thing.
Look at these chocolate chip cookies. I mean, look at that dough. You guys are just, I am not worthy to be in this class.
What?
I am not worthy.
Want to just make a regular chocolate? I want to separate them. I want to make that. Actually, no, we can just make regular chocolate. That's fine.
Yeah, since I don't think my parents would do it.
Yeah.
As far as the history, we've had other people come in before. We had Chef Pitt come in before, and we've done it. But this year, she's let me take the reins on it. We're going to be doing a lot of different decadent desserts, different styles, different flares, just to see what we can bring out of the students this year. Yeah. Is that it? Huh? Hey, my Cookie Monster people! Savannah, call my Cookie Monster people.
What?
My people that made the Cookie Monsters.
Okay, I'm Kamaya. I'm going into the 8th grade and I go to Bluegrass Middle School. Some reason I want to go to baking class is to meet new people and just to experience having like expertise working with like different materials and just getting to like experience new things instead of sitting home all day.
Yeah, clear.
My name's Sahila and I'm going into the 10th grade and I go to Central Art High School, and the reason why I joined this baking class is because I enjoy cooking and baking a lot and I thought it would be a really fun experience for me.
Get off, we can make more if we have to. Okay? Where's your rubber spatula? You guys put sour cream in here too?
Yeah. My name is Zoe. I go to James Skelton Middle School. I'm going into 8th grade. I came here because I did it last year and it was fun, and I want to meet new people. Look at filming it.
And we have just wrapped up three days of baking culinary camp. It's been full of all kinds of surprises. I got a chance to see everybody's creative side. We made cookies on Monday, which were fantastic. I learned some things, they inspired me. I had a cookie with ginger, a chocolate chip cookie with ginger, honey, and chili powder. It was fantastic. The second day we did cheesecakes. I feel like I found me some minions. These guys are so creative. They did some things that was so amazing. And today we did apple cobblers, homemade grandma Southern Kentucky apple cobblers. Oh my God, I can just say they did crusts that were just amazing. Their crust, they did strawberry crust, they did vanilla crust, they did apple crust. These guys are the future, and I'm so proud to be a part of it.
Regular.
But don't you think when it's in the thing, it's gonna like combine?
I really feel like it's Italian, you know what I'm saying? It's like
You guys are cooking with oil right here. And I need some parsley on it too to make it pop.
And then I got it down here so you guys can see it with the light on and watch it cook.
And then you can just.
Now back to pizza. Ew, I can taste the onion.
Well, and now
I can't wait to see what they do. I'm just excited.